Hey, somebody asked me about the ignition coil on this 6-cylinder 4.9 F-150. They were wanting the wires coming off the ignition coil. Alright, well, it's kind of hard for me to do. Let me see if we can help you out here. Let's see. Alright, there's my ignition coil. Right there. If you're looking at the front of the motor, it'll be on the, standing at the front of the truck, it'll be on the right side of the motor. This wire right here looks like it goes to a black wire that goes to a little round piece right there. And let's see, there's the top of the coil. Trying to get you a good picture here. It looks like maybe a white wire or cream color and a red. Might be orange. I'm gonna say a tan color. And then we come off a wire one there. That goes to the air conditioner stuff. And let's see. I don't know if you can hear it because the wind is really strong. I can't really get much down there. That looks like, I can't really tell. Try to help you out a little bit. 1, 2, there's about 4 wires there. Then we come off of that. 2. Let's see, green, red, another green, a black, and that goes into the distributor. This probably ain't helping you none, but I'm sorry, it's the best I can do without taking everything apart. I try to, and I think it'll say these Mustang. Hope this helps you out a little bit. If this ain't what you're looking for, let me know, and I'll try to do a little bit better. There you go, friend. That's the best I can get for you at this moment, and I hope this helps.